at Tyagaraja Stadium in New Delhi. Senior judges and union ministers traded courtrooms for the badminton court. Chief Justice Suryakant and Justice Vikram Nath faced union ministers Kiran Rijiju and Arjun Ram Meghwal in a friendly exhibition match, kicking off the two-day All India Judges Badminton Championship. The tournament features 84 judges, both men and women, and there are singles, doubles and segments there, and 5 women judges, showcasing growing representation in both sports as well as judiciary.
It's game time here at Delhi's Tyagaraja Sports Complex as the All India Judges Badminton Championship has kicked off, and it's not just any lineup. Chief Justice of India, Justice Suryakant, and Union Minister Kiran Rijiju, we saw them on the court playing against each other as the two-day sporting showdown has begun today. From Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal to Justice Vikram Nath and Chief Justices from High Courts across the country, this arena is packed with some of the biggest names in India's judiciary. And today it's all about smashing shuttles and breaking the monotony of courtroom life. As you can see, all the excitement happening here at the court today, and not the real court but the badminton court today. And we spoke to so many judges here, and they are like full of excitement, and it's a full house of legal firepower here at Tyagaraja Sports Complex right now. A total of 84 judges from the Supreme Court and High Courts are participating, including 5 women judges, bringing power and precision to the court. Singles and doubles matches are lined up in both men's and women's categories, making this championship bigger than ever. And here's the interesting bit. Justice Vikram Nath and Justice Datta have been squeezing time out of their packed court schedules to practice with the badminton racket for over a week now. Clearly, the competition isn't just friendly, it's fierce. So these are the visuals from the Tyagaraja Sports Complex today. With such energy, such participation and such star power on the court, this championship is turning into a celebration of fitness, focus and judicial fellowship. This is Malika Malhotra reporting from Delhi with camera person Gopal for NDTV 24/7. So welcome to NDTV. Honored to have you with us. How was your experience and what encouraged you to participate in the championship?
It's a very great experience. In fact, that shows that the judges are very aware and conscious about the health issues. It's very important, keeping in view the nature of duties they perform the entire day and night. They really feel, and rightly so, that they need to associate themselves with some recreational or sports activities to keep themselves physically and mentally fit. And it's a very good initiative. I congratulate my brother Justice Vikram Nath and his associates for organizing this event.
Great smashes on the court. How was your experience?
No, this is always good because sports is always full of fun, very high spirit. And lots of judges, the Supreme Court judges and the High Court judges have come to participate in the All India Judges Badminton Championship here. I'm glad that I joined the Honorable Chief Justice of India and other judges, and the participation from the High Courts are very encouraging because so many High Court judges have come. That shows that judges are not only busy in courtroom, but they are also active in the badminton court, in the sports arena.